I get a lot of artists reaching out to me wondering, where do I start? Right? There's all these different people out there saying what to do. It's ads, is it playlists, is it social media? A lot of people don't like social media.
Yep.
How do you go about getting started with actually getting people listening to your music?
Yeah. So this has always been difficult. And it's not just for musicians, it's everybody. I mean, if you look at if you get on the tech startup side of Twitter, people talk about how founders forget to market their product. Like, oh yeah, it's great engineering and it's an awesome UI, but have you marketed it? Marketing is just something people either struggle with or forget about altogether, or they think, well, my product will sell itself, which is just not true. I wish that were true. It would mean that the cream would always rise to the top. And I'm a firm believer that generally it does. But if you have the best product in the world and nobody knows about it, then it doesn't matter. It's not going to sell. The New York Times isn't dishing out best writing author awards. They're issuing out best selling author awards. So you've got to figure out how to sell your music, essentially. I hate the word sell. I hate the word sales. I hate the word salesy. I hate selling. It does not come natural to me. It's not fun. It sounds like I'm a used car dealer, and I don't like that.
Right. Maybe we should create a new term. It's spreading the good news.
Exactly.
It's helping people. It's solving a problem, right? Which all music, it should solve some kind of problem that people have. Right, depending on your genre. I mean, it could be just giving people an escape, giving people joy, whatever it is. So you're providing a solution. You're bringing the good news to people. Hey, here's some great music.
That's exactly right. That's a phenomenal point. It's people think of marketing as sales, and it's not. Marketing is showing a product or service to the right person at the right time who will get the most value out of it when they are interested in it. So when you are shown something that you want, it's delightful. When you discover something that you're interested in, it's wonderful. Wow, I've been looking for this exact thing. I'm so glad that I found it. That is, at its core, a marketer's job, is to introduce that to the person at the right time. And so when it comes to music, you want to find the people who are going to be delighted by discovering your music. In my experience, social media is the best place to do that. Now, I will tell you, out of everyone, I have a pure love-hate relationship with social media. I don't consume really much at all. I am going through sort of a season right now where I'm recalibrating how my engagement looks on these platforms. I've been sticking mostly to YouTube lately and have been sort of taking a step back from all the other stuff. I removed it all from my phone because I want to re-engage in a more thoughtful way. It was sort of getting to the point where I was just on it all the time, which is, I think, one of the reasons people don't like social media. But the fact is, social media is very, very powerful, and it is the place where people are discovering things that delight them. Oftentimes they're discovering things that don't delight them, but that's a whole nother conversation. We're in the business of getting people to discover our music, which will delight them. And social media is an effective way to do that. Spotify has incredibly powerful ways to discover music as well, but we have less control over those things, which is why it's more difficult to leverage those. But using advertising on social media is a way to effectively leverage those things. You can sort of play the game a little bit. So much in the same way that something might go viral on YouTube or TikTok. If you make a really great piece of content, maybe this video right here just blows up because we did a great job. You can kind of leverage that same thing on Spotify. And Spotify is the most powerful algorithms to throw your music wider to people who have never heard of you based on their listening habits and their history and other artists they're engaged with and stuff. Getting people to Spotify from social media is the most effective way that I've discovered to take control of that. It's also the most effective way that I've discovered that you have any sort of understanding of who is arriving at your music and listening to it. It's one of the reasons I've chosen ads over playlisting. Playlisting is opaque. It's tough to guarantee that they're actual people listening, that it's not a server farm on AWS in Buffalo, New York, or wherever. Not to say that all playlists are bad. It's just hard to determine. And I would much rather roll the dice on something that has better odds, which is why I've chosen ads. So the short answer to your question, ads are an effective way to market your music and get people listening.
Are you tired of posting on social media over and over, but not actually seeing any results, not actually gaining any new fans, not actually making an income from your music? If so, then be sure to grab my free fan funnel formula guide in the description below, or go to orpheusaudioacademy.com/fan. And this will walk you through step-by-step a proven system for generating followers and then on autopilot, turning those followers into fans and actual customers. In this free guide, you'll discover the only 4 things you need to start generating automated income from your fans. You'll also learn how to start building an email list full of dedicated fans ready to do whatever you tell them, whether that be to stream a song or buy a t-shirt from your store. And most importantly, you'll also learn a little known secret to actually earning an income from your music without touring or selling your soul. Again, this is all inside of a free guide in the description below, or you can go to orpheusaudioacademy.com/fan to grab your free copy of this guide. And if you're looking for more tips and tricks on growing a fan base online for your music, then go ahead and click the video on the screen right now. With that, have an awesome day, keep creating, and I'll see you in a future video.